Hey, we're back. It's Friday evening, January 19th, 2018. And the sun set a few minutes ago. So it's about 5:30 p.m. here in Ohio. And we have a 7% crescent up here. It's a waxing crescent. And it's not going to come in real well right at this time. It gets a little bit darker out, but yeah, those planes today, I had a feeling that they were going to spread their muck around, and and they have. So that's over in the southwest. And let me pause it and try for and I think I'll pause it here and wait a little bit till it gets darker out. Maybe it'll come in better. Alrighty, bye. Wow, look at that one. My goodness. Nasty. Yeah, I'm no Mike Decker, it's for sure. He does so good with airplanes. Look at that stuff. Yuck. They're fanning out, aren't they? Around the moon. My gosh. Alright, we'll try again in a bit. Alrighty, I had it on landscape mode and just switched it over to moon mode. I might try aperture and manual focus later, but it's still a bit too light outside to see much. And sorry for the jitter, but the wind's blowing pretty good. Yeah, not good at all. I'm going to try to move and try to get a windbreak here. I don't know if I'll succeed, but I shall try. Boy, they're just zigzagging the sky left, right, and center, aren't they? My goodness. Okay, we should hurry up and get darker out. Cool shot, but I did want to get, did want it last night when it was about 2% lit, but it was too far down in the trees. There goes the gunk over top of it. No stars can be seen yet, it's still too light out, so brr. Damn. Oh, bloody hell, it's cold out here. We did reach up to 43 degrees sometime today, this afternoon. It was 29 degrees when I took the sun footage this morning. That was about 11 a.m. And, but now, look at them. One right after another. But I'm not sure what it is right now. But they're trying to box that moon in, aren't they? They're moving quickly, which is good. Let's see if we can get it in any better. Ooh, very watery. Look at that area right there in the middle of the screen, top middle. That's so interesting. Like shards or a broken branch or something. Darn that wind. It's still not dark enough for Orion to show up. Over on the other side, over in the southeast, but well, I can kind of see the dark side, but I can't make out the features. Alrighty, I might try to hang in there and change the setting again. Maybe go to aperture and manual. But if not, I'm going to wave goodbye now and hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching the sky with me. Bye for now. Alrighty, one last try here. We're over on aperture and manual focus. I still can't make out the details on the dark side. And it's not coming in real well, so I'm not going to go in any further. I don't know if it's because it's so far low in the horizon or what, but there's our waxing crescent here in Ohio on this Friday evening. I don't know, did anyone hear if they're going to release the memo? Congress? Sure would like to know what's in it. Read it for myself. Judge for myself. So much corruption goes on. My goodness. There were a lot of QAnon drops too last night. For people who follow that. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I just watch a few videos and I'm still a bit unsure if they're on the inside. So once again, I'll wave goodbye. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend now.